Imagine you're ready to make a big online purchase. You found the perfect item, but you're hesitant to use your credit card. What if there's a data breach? Or what if you're worried about unauthorized charges? That's where Paysafe comes in. It's a popular online payment method that offers a safe and secure way to make transactions. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a global payment service provider that offers a range of online payment solutions. It's a trusted name in the industry, and it's used by millions of people worldwide. So, what exactly can you use Paysafe for? 1. Online shopping. Paysafe is a great option for online shopping. You can use it to purchase items from a wide range of online retailers, including Amazon, eBay, and many others. One of the benefits of using Paysafe for online shopping is that it offers a layer of security. When you use Paysafe, you don't have to share your credit card details with the merchant. This helps to protect your personal information. 2. Online gambling. Paysafe is also a popular choice for online gambling. You can use it to deposit funds into your online casino or poker account. Many online gambling sites accept Paysafe as a payment method. This is because it's a safe and secure way to make transactions, and it's also convenient. 3. Online gaming. Paysafe can also be used to purchase in-game items and currencies. Many online games offer Paysafe as a payment option. If you're a gamer, Paysafe can be a convenient way to top up your account and purchase the items you want. How does Paysafe work? To use Paysafe, you need to create an account. Once you have an account, you can add funds to it using a variety of methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Once you have funds in your account, you can use them to make payments. When you make a payment, you'll be asked to enter your Paysafe account details. The payment will then be processed securely. 1. iLucky.com. iLucky.com. Benefits of using Paysafe. There are several benefits to using Paysafe, including security. Paysafe offers a high level of security. When you use Paysafe, you don't have to share your credit card details with the merchant. This helps to protect your personal information. Convenience. Paysafe is a convenient payment method. It's easy to use, and it can be used on a wide range of devices. Flexibility. Paysafe offers a variety of payment options. You can add funds to your account using a variety of methods, and you can use it to make payments for a wide range of goods and services. Global reach. Paysafe is a global payment service provider. It's accepted by merchants all over the world. Paysafe is a versatile and secure payment method that can be used for a wide range of online transactions. Whether you're shopping online, gambling, or playing games, Paysafe is a great option. With its focus on security, convenience, and flexibility, Paysafe is a trusted name in the online payment industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.